What's up, everybody? It's Peter. Welcome to our channel. And today I'm testing my Insta360 X4 camera. How it works at midnight. And actually, yeah, like I said, right now it's almost midnight. But because it's Alaska, I mean, we got pretty bright night. Yeah, you not really need a flashlight. My XR, Monster Vesc XR, doesn't have any lighting system, no lights. But if you're not doing like 30-40 miles per hour top speed, you're gonna be fine. Well, this wheel, I never done that fast. My current top speed is at 27 mile. Of course, at night you have to be a sick lunatic to go that fast. Right now I'm doing 12, 13. It feels alright. Yeah, it's quite fun. I do like ride it at night. And like I said, plus I want to see how this camera is gonna work taking video at night. Because my other camera, X2, that was really bad at night. It's the footage is usually not usable. This one I never done. I mean, like I said, I'm testing my camera right now. I hope it's gonna look kind of decent quality. Well, guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.